Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Clear Voice English. Are you planning a trip soon? Navigating an airport in English can be a little intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to help you sound like a pro. Today, we're going to learn all the essential words and phrases you need for checking in at the airport. First things first, let's talk about your luggage. You'll hear two main terms, carry-on and checked bags. Your carry-on bag is the one you take with you onto the plane. This could be a backpack, a tote bag, or a small suitcase. Checked bags, on the other hand, are the larger bags that you hand over at the check-in counter to be stored in the cargo hold of the airplane. These are usually bigger suitcases or maybe a duffel bag. So, when the airline agent asks, "How many bags are you checking in today?" you'll know exactly what they mean. Now, let's imagine you're at the check-in counter. The agent will greet you with something like, "Hello, where are you flying to today?" You can respond, "Hi, I'm flying to X city." They'll then ask for your passport. "May I have your passport, please?" A polite way to hand it over is by saying, "Here you go," or "Here it is." Oh, and a quick but important travel tip. Be very careful when using public Wi-Fi at the airport. These networks are often unsecured, making your personal data vulnerable. To protect your information from hackers, I always recommend using a VPN. A VPN encrypts your connection, keeping your passwords and bank details safe. It's a small step that provides huge peace of mind while you travel. Back to the counter. After they take your passport, they might ask about your luggage. A very common question is, do you have any fragile, restricted, or prohibited items in your checked baggage? This means things that can break easily, like glass, or items that aren't allowed on the plane. You can simply answer no if everything is okay. Next up, your seat. Do you prefer to look out at the clouds or have easy access to the restroom? If you like the view, ask for a window seat. If you prefer to get up and stretch your legs easily, you'll want an aisle seat. That's a aisle. A common mistake learners make is using the word corridor. A corridor is a hallway in a building, but the walkway on a plane is always called an aisle. So you can say, "Could I please have a window seat?" Or, "Is it possible to get an aisle seat?" Airlines also offer different classes of travel. The most common is economy class, which is the standard option. For a bit more legroom and better service, you might choose premium economy. Then you have the more expensive options, business class and first class, which offer spacious seats that often lie flat, gourmet meals, and other luxury perks. Knowing these terms will help you understand exactly what you're booking. Once everything is settled, the agent will give you two important documents. The first is your boarding pass. This is your ticket to get on the plane. It shows your name, flight number, seat assignment, and boarding time. The second is your baggage tag or baggage claim receipt. This is a sticker with a tracking number for your checked luggage. Keep it safe. You'll need it if your bag gets lost. The agent will then tell you something like, "Your flight will be boarding at gate B27 at 3:15. Your boarding pass has all the details. And with that, you're all checked in. You're ready to head to security and then to your gate." I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident on your next trip. Traveling is all about new experiences, and speaking the language is a huge part of that. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Clear Voice English for more practical English lessons. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.